showing you how to basically look into the majority of mutual funds that you'll encounter and how to go and look at the top holdings and do some more analysis on your own. So I use Morningstar.com, and again, everything I'm going to be showing you is going to be using free tools, so you don't have to pay anything. That's my preferred method. I actually do have a Morningstar premium subscription, but I made sure I logged out, and that's actually one of the only premium subscriptions that I use, and it's for other things, not necessarily to look into mutual funds and ETFs. It's actually to track our model portfolio, the Robinhood strategy growth. Anyways, I'm going to use the Fidelity Contra Fund. This is one of the biggest mutual funds out there right now, and as you can see, 123 billion in assets. It's no small fund, and we can look at the top holdings right here. So let's say I wanted to see the top 25 holdings. I would just click into this, and here I'd see by portfolio weight the top 25 holdings. And so really this is going to give us, I mean, if you look up here, it shows that assets in the top 10 holdings are 36%. So I mean, by grabbing the top 25 holdings, we're really grabbing a really sizable chunk of the total portfolio. You can kind of see how the portfolio weights trail off down here. And by the way, I like a lot of these holdings in here. In fact, we have Visa and Facebook in our growth portfolio, as well as Apple. So some really good picks. Maybe I should be managing the $100-some billion in this fund. Anyways, let's click on the equity prices so we can actually pull the ticker symbol, and I'm going to copy all this data. And I'm just going to paste it into Excel here. And then I'm going to remove hyperlinks and remove this crap. And then I'm just going to be cleaning this up for you. Okay. So now we have a list of the top 25 tickers, and if we wanted to pull these into a popular screening site, Finviz, I'm going to do a little formula off on the right here, and I'm just going to type equals, click on the ticker, and then hit that and sign, not 7, and then do quote, comma, quote, hit enter, and what we're going to do is copy all the way down to here. Okay, my keyboard shortcuts are going faster than my computer can do it. It must be because I'm recording. And then right now this is in a column view. A clever way to get it in the view that you need to paste it into Finviz is to use this method, which I'm about to show you. If you type equals transpose and then select the entire array and hit the F9 key, it will break it out in a more from a column view to a row view, if you want to call it that. And then I'm going to type concatenate here after I remove the little squiggly lines. Why is my shift key not working today? So now you can see I have all of the tickers in a friendly format for Finviz. So if I click on Screener here, I could paste these tickers in here, hit enter, and boom, now I have the top 25 holdings of the Fidelity Contra Fund. And from here I can, do more research into these holdings. I can go into the valuation, the financial, and look at all these metrics all for free and very quickly, without having to pay any kind of premium subscription or service. So this is a great way to quickly look into a fund and just see what they're invested in, because a fund is it's just a basket of securities. So if you wanted to just mirror what a fund is holding without paying an expense ratio, you can always go this route. Although if you're just beginning to invest, in many cases it's actually more convenient to simply own the fund because you don't have to deal with transaction fees. So if you want to own a fund in your 401k, for example, you might have to pay a commission every time you buy and sell, which could be more than the expenses that you're paying to an advisor. So that's something you'd have to look into yourself. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful for you. And if you have any questions on how to look into a fund or how to identify good funds, just shoot me a message and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.